I'm question.
Hello?
Nice to see you.
Yep.
So, my clients are always in love with the processing. Can you please explain us on everything about it?
Yeah. So our Pro chassis is currently available for the Remington 700 short action. Yeah. And Tika short action later this year. I go for the Remington 700 long action. It's basically like full competition chassis. It's got all the features that a competition needs to succeed. It's engineered for max rigidity, so trying to eliminate all the vibrations and flex that you can experience with some chassis. Quality material selection, use 70-75 aluminum for added rigidity and strength. All our screws are stainless steel, black oxide. Basically, no screw on this chassis will rust. Got all the adjustability on the buttstock. Pretty much anything will go in any direction except the butts. Cheek resonant sideways. You can add a folder to it as well, which can be flipped to either side and fold any way. The chassis is ambidextrous, which means that any of them will fit a right-hand or a left-hand model. We also have full-length top cover, also made out of 70-75 aluminum, which is pinned and screwed to the chassis, which just adds even more rigidity to it. Lots of weight options. You can make this thing 13, 14 kilos if you want. You can just have a competition range. It's a lot lighter as well, of course. The external M-lock weights doesn't fit any analog chassis. And also internal weights. And as you can see here, the pockets for the weights are machined out very elegantly with added bridges just for even more rigidity. We've got buttstock weights as well. 3 different sets. You have a large one, a small one, and then also in here, the weights in there as well. So pretty much, you can have whatever balance you want. Whatever barrel. Whatever barrel, whatever scope, it'll balance. Otherwise, the magazine bulb is also adjustable. You can do the height of the latch, also the tension. We have a plate in here that you can adjust back and forth, which allows you to adjust the tension of the magazine.
And I can tell it's very useful, especially like the darker magazines. On this rimfire.
They're all a little bit different.
And it fits perfect.
They're all different, and you can tune it to just whatever you want.
Cool. So, wir werden die Haare, Hemd, wenn ihr wendet, hier sitzt. Sweden goes open up, goes out. Thank you again and see you soon.
Yeah.
That's what I got.